Jordan's going to talk you through what he's doing. What are you up to, babe?
Just putting on a sinker, a swivel, and then a little hook, because we're going to be using bait today.
And what sort of bait are we going to use?
Just prawns. It's this Black Savage with the Black Savage reel, and it's 3,000 size. And then I got a Shimano Stratic 2500 with a Shimano.
Oh look, hang on.
What is it? I can't get the name of it, but that's a lighter setup.
What'd you get?
A little tarlin, I think, or a brim. Pretty sure it's a little tarlin. It's tiny. Oh yeah, let him go.
We always catch and release. Nice little Moses perch. Only tiny but fun.